Alright, I'm going to do another video here, similar. This time I've got it on the hot tune. Show you comparatively for sound and stuff like that, not a big difference. But a little bit coal coming out of it over here when I rev her up. Keep in mind that's with an S&B cold air intake. It sounds a little bit different with the stock intake. Again, you know what? A lot of people I talk to, including guys I know who have worked in the industry on these Cummins for a long time, they recommend that you don't go to an aftermarket air intake. To stick with the original stock one. I actually came back into the shop here today to put the stock one back in it, but I just ended up cleaning my S&B and didn't feel like doing it. Anyway, take care. Bye.